Happy spring, backyard beekeepers. My name is Bald Eagle Veteran on my YouTube channel, and I'm really excited. We're going to be picking up our bee package today. I'm going to be picking them up after work, and we get our bee package here in Virginia from Rock Hill Honeybee Farms, $130. There's a lot of people charging $150 or more for a 3-pound bee package. That's not right. They're scalping you. Rock Hill does an excellent job. The bees I got last year from Rock Hill, usually from what I've been seeing from other bee packages that have come in for people, they usually find hundreds of dead bees on the bottom of their crate. Last year I was shocked. I mean, because I was expecting to see hundreds of dead bees at the bottom of the crate. I think I had a couple of dozen. That's it. The bees' survival rate was excellent coming from Rock Hill Honeybee Farms. The price superb, $133. You can't beat it. So I highly recommend them, especially in Virginia, Maryland area. They're right down in Stafford, Virginia. Excellent, excellent service. Anyway, so I'm going to pick up my bees. Yes. I've got the box freshly painted down here on the outside to help it last through the next season real good. I'm going to use the extra deep to put I'm going to take the queen out, take the feeder out, put the queen down here, and of course I've got a board right here, inner cover, and the bees will go down to the queen through the inner cover. So I'll just take the bee package and put it right out here and cover this, and the bees have one place to go. They can go down, and the queen will stay in the cage for a couple more days, and then they'll be able to go in and out through the front door here. And this hive here has full drawn out comb, so I'm expecting to have to put a super on here within weeks, if not sooner. But all the comb is already drawn out, so these bees have a head start. If you can do something like that for a new bee package, you really ought to. It just helps them so much, and to get you to producing honey a lot quicker. The drawn out comb, the queen can go down there and start laying right away. She's not waiting for the bees to make some comb for her to lay eggs, and she can lay those eggs in a week. They're gonna, or a little over a week, they're gonna be capping those brood off, and in 2 more weeks I'll have a couple thousand more bees. So really the way to go is to have some drawn comb, so your bees have most of their work cut out for them already, and they can be foraging and collecting that honey, so that and the bee can be doing her thing, laying all those eggs. I'm just so excited. This year's going to be so much better than last year, and I'll come back to you in a week. I'll let you know how things are going. I might shoot some video of installing the package, but I'm not too sure about that. But I'm just bubbling. Really, it's an exciting time of year for us beekeepers. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.